Hey Ronnie, we were on Stewart Avenue today and there are lots of really cool places around here, but you're taking me to a very special one. Where are we off to?
The special place is Cocoa Cake Studio. It is divinely delicious, and I want to introduce you to the master baker, Rachel. Come on in.
Okay, let's go. It smells wonderful in here. Now I know this is not a new business, you've been around for a while. How long?
We are celebrating 6 years.
And what got you started?
So I always grew up in a baking family. My mom baked, my grandma baked, my aunt baked, so it was just natural that I baked too.
I bake too, but it's the kind of, you cut the pieces and you put it in the oven.
Yeah.
But you actually have a degree in baking.
I do, yes. I got a degree in baking and pastry arts from Johnson & Wales University in both Miami and in Providence.
So right now there is, of course, the streetscape. So what are you doing to overcome some of those perceptions?
So I would say our best thing that we can do is communication. It's just letting folks know we are still open, we are still here. We do our best to try to share our other downtown businesses, their hours, and just let people know that they're here. Come down and see them, don't hesitate. You might have to take a little bit of a detour, but you can definitely get to us, and we're here and ready to take everyone's business.
Do you have a particular thing that you really love to bake?
Really, our custom celebration cakes are important, whether we're helping somebody to celebrate or commemorating an event. It's special to us to have our customer feel special.
I don't have to be told to talk because I talk too much, but we happen to be standing in front of the conversation wall. You come in, you have a tasty treat, you have some coffee perhaps, and you check this out and you talk about, you figure out what's going on with each one of those and maybe ask you. So now I understand, Ronnie, that we're able to taste some of the things. I know that all your customers say this is wonderful, I've never been here before, so can we check it out?
Absolutely.
Hey Rachel, it was a difficult decision, but I'm going to have the lemon glazed scones.
Choice, one of our best sellers.
Oh, good.
Difficult for you, was not difficult for me. I want cheesecake, please.
We've got two of our
Let them
best
eat
popular
cheesecake.
items. All righty, we'll have that out to you in just a moment.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you
So this is the moment of
much.
truth, right?
Oh,
Thoughts?
I'm salivating, Rachel. Oh, this is
So this is
good.
chocolate, peanut butter, and cheesecake all wrapped into one delicious little morsel.
Honey base and peanut butter cup cheesecake.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and
Your
this
scone looks good, but
it-
not as good as my cheesecake.
it doesn't have as much topping as yours, does
I know.
it?
This has a lot more calories.
No, we shake all the fat calories
I doubt it very much.
out. Guilt-free.
So just to remind everybody, we are on Stewart Avenue. This place is open from Tuesdays through Saturdays.
And really want to encourage everybody to please shop downtown. This is your downtown. And it's a great place to socialize, to eat, and to shop.
There's plenty of parking. You can come down and see the new streetscape, and you can do an OD on sugar from this one's wonderful baking. This is really good stuff, Rachel.
Yeah, Cocoa Cake Studio.
Time to continue eating
Oh, I can hardly wait.
and enjoying, right?
Okay.